Focus on your strengths. You may be assessing an issue or trying to figure out how to perfect something. Channeled messages. Now, some oracles that I have written here, I've written a few times, but on different colored cards. So channeled messages on the yellow card means solar plexus. There's something that you're going to create from a download that you get. This can be in the form of a vision, a dream, something, okay? Or you may channel write like myself. Sometimes I won't use cards and I'll just write down what comes to mind. I often find that certain frequencies assist in this gift. Or I often find that when I'm writing music, this also happens. Okay? So there's something. Focus on your strengths and channeled messages. There's something that you're going to create from a download that you get. I'm also getting that there's something that you're going to create from a download that you get, or you may be correlating this gift with your protection. There's a practitioner that is going out of business for failed spell work, and you're trying to figure out, okay, I haven't done anything different, or what is it that you're doing? There's something that you're doing or creating out of your downloads that is actually blocking this spell work from hitting you. Someone may be dumbfounded to discover that their energy work isn't working on you anymore, or it's wearing off. It has something to do with what you're creating right now. It's protecting your energy. Something inspired by you is going to change many lives, okay? So whatever this is that you're creating is going to have a huge impact on a lot of different people, okay? This may be directly, like let's say you're a scientist, or you're inventing something or creating something that many people can use, or this can just be something that you create out of this download that is going to inspire people, like at a large scale. This is being assisted by your guides. This could be tied to your divine purpose, or why you're here, or why you're doing what you're doing. Your angelic assistance is assisting you. Your angelic assistance is assisting you. Okay. Your angelic assistance is present, and it is assisting you in whatever this is. Wow. A channeled letter is taking form. There's something that you wrote that is manifesting, okay? There's something that you wrote that is manifesting. This could be a poem, a book, a story, a tweet, a song. There's something that you created through a download that is manifesting. Oh my gosh. This is why I'm very mindful of the things I say. Divine Feminine. This could be a Divine Feminine's gift. You may already know this as being one of your spiritual gifts, but you're trying to figure out ways to strengthen this gift or use it for your divine purpose or good. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Oh, wow. This is a powerful message. Virtue. This is a virtue of yours, Divine Feminine. You know, some people have gifts and they use them for evil, but in this particular situation, Divine Feminine, you realize that this is a gift that can't be squandered for Low vibrational means. Palmistry. Fortune and tarot, collective destiny. The palm lines from birth tell your sacred palmistry. Listen to the notes of intuition. Intuition. Now, I don't know if there's any palm readers out there. This may literally mean your lifelines, right? Your intuition is telling you that you need to use this gift to protect yourself or something. Something inspired by you is going to change many lives. A cure. This could be a cure for something, Divine Feminine. Wow. Love is happiness, a spark inside. Live deliberately and choose boldly, then you have arrived. So you could be into holistic healing or something that you're getting as a download is going to help cure somebody or inspire someone who is going to create a cure for something. Cat. Let's follow this spirit animal and embark on a profound journey of self-discovery. So a cat may be significant. Felines were considered very spiritual animals. I often find whenever I see a cat near, my guides usually like to come in the form of a feline because I do love cats. But cats can pick up on energy very well. You may have a special connection to animals. Protect yourself from negative and evil energies. Pentacle. Right. There's something that you're getting as a download that you're going to create something out of whatever this is. Okay? You may be getting syncs and synchronicities from animals around you, or this may directly involve cats. I don't know. Something that you wrote, a channeled letter, is taking form. Something that you wrote is taking form. Your creations or some kind of channel download, something that you wrote down is protecting you from some kind of spell work here. You could literally be a pen alchemist like myself. You're alchemizing energy through something that you created. Justice makes truth known in court, causes innocence to prevail. Right, it's like someone lied on you, Divine Feminine, or tried to manipulate a situation regarding something legal here. Someone tried to manipulate the outcome of a situation. There goes Gabriel, the moon. Love is happiness, a spark inside. Live deliberately and choose boldly, then you have arrived. Divine revelation reveals messages, has the power to destroy. You're destroying some kind of stronghold, some kind of negative energy. This could have been money blocking spells. Someone tried to block something and maybe even go as far as involving some kind of legal action to block you from getting something. But there's some kind of messages that you have or that you already created, or something. A channeled letter is taking form. Something is going to be revealed in whatever this message is, and it's going to destroy or poke holes in somebody's narrative here that tried to block something from you. This is kind of like last reading. Yeah, when this is revealed, whoever this practitioner is, they're going to feel betrayed. Wow, in this particular deck, revelation protects from sadness, gives revelations in dreams. Someone could have been doing dream manipulation. I did have a pretty bizarre dream earlier, but it wasn't a nightmare. There's some kind of hints to this energy work in the visions that you're having right now. You need to be writing down what you see. Six of Swords. Perception of unity protects against accidents, heals the sick. This angel is holding a plant. There's something, Divine Feminine, that involves nature here. A cure for longing. Someone possibly tried to manipulate your energy. There's something that you work with holistically that has blocked this from happening, or there's something that you're ingesting, right? This could be an herb, a flower, or some kind of a natural thing that grows out of the earth that has protected you from whatever this is. For some of you, this could have been lust spells. For others, this was some kind of energy blocking spell, money blocking, something. Three of Cups, the right hand of God. A Gemini may be significant. Fame and renown influences commerce, voyages, and great discoveries. Clarified by the Lovers. Joy and pleasure brings happiness to couples, removes negative energy. There is something about your energy, Divine Feminine, that your virtues, the things that you hold important, or the things that you research, or the ways that you wield your energy are very positive. And there could have been someone that was hired here to try to sabotage you, and they feel betrayed because it's not working. Angelic assistance is present. You got the 9 and the 10 of Cups also. Yeah. Healing preserves health and cures diseases. There's someone who tried to make you sick, Divine Feminine. Or there may be someone else who's sick, and they tried to make you sick also. Because you have something inspired by you is going to change many lives. There's something that you're on the brink of discovering, or there's something that you created that is going to inspire someone to come up with a cure for something here. That's literally what I'm getting. Or maybe they already came up with the cure for it. Ace of Swords, this is the truth. This is why I tell people, be yourself. Stop trying to be other people. Okay? I've never had to spend any day in my life trying to be someone else. I am so grateful to God for making me fearfully and wonderfully made. You're spending so much time trying to be someone else, cross-watcher, or collective, right? Because I don't know what everybody's situation is. But if you take the time to discover who the divine intended for you to be, think about how different your life would be, the impact that you would have on those around you.